Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we are making egg fried rice. You know, egg fried rice is originates from China, but it's super popular here in Japan, especially for lunch. I know there are tons of variations of its recipe, but today's version is super basic, super easy to make, and of course, super yummy. So why don't we try making it? Alright, let's get started! Here are the main ingredients for egg fried rice, only 4. One is clove of garlic, number 2 is beaten egg, number 3 is a bowl of rice. If it's cooled down to room temperature, it's better. And number 4 is cut green onion, scallion or leek. Now you don't need this much, 1-2 inches long will be enough for one person. I'll use Japanese green onion this time. This is optional, but I put cumin in when I heat the cut garlic. For season, I use salt and pepper, a bit of chicken soup stock powder, and lastly I add in a bit of fish sauce. But if you don't like the flavor of fish sauce, go ahead and use ordinary soy sauce instead. We got 4 steps to make it. Step number 1 is kind of preparation. Peel the garlic skin and cut it into pieces, and cut the green onion as well, and then beat an egg in a bowl and mix them with a bowl of rice plus cut green onion and season the mix with salt and pepper. Step number 2 is to heat the cut garlic. You know, garlic is easy to get burnt, so I recommend you to start heating it with medium-low heat. I add in cumin at this step, but this is optional, so if you don't like the texture of it, just skip it. Step number 3 is to heat the mix. Yeah, when the garlic gets nice and brown, put the mix in the pan. Turn the heat up to medium-high, spread the mix, flatten the mix in the pan with a spatula and cut it into pieces. Try making it separated and crispy. And then soak a bit of chicken soup stock with just a bit of water and put it in a pan. Last step, number 4, is to pour in the fish sauce or soy sauce. Mix it a bit, then the fried rice will be ready to go. Okay, why don't we go on to step 1? Right, why don't we go on to step 1? Step 1 is the preparation of the ingredients. Start with the clove of garlic. I always do this. Yeah, crush it with the garlic pulp. It'll make it easier for you to peel the skin. Clean it up. You don't need a stem end here, so cut the garlic 80 to 90% slice like this. Then turn the garlic 90 degrees, make slices, then cut it. I believe it's the easiest way to make a little dice cut. Yeah, you don't need this stem end anyway. Okay, the garlic is ready. So why don't we go on to green onion stuff? Yeah, this is enough, I guess. You know, this layer is to be thrown away. Cut it in half, then cut it. Okay, green onion is ready now. So we're going to make a mix. Right, we're going to make a mix. You know, beat the egg with the spatula. Add in the bowl of rice here. And all there's another way to mix the beaten egg and rice in the pan, but I believe this way is easier. Yeah, it's kind of rice is coated with beaten egg. Add India. Cut green onion as well. Mixing it again. Give another mix and season it with salt and pepper. Yeah, just a bit of salt and bit of pepper would be nice. Okay. Then you mix it again. Yeah, the mix is ready, so why don't we go on to step 2? Alright, why don't we go on to step 2? I forgot to tell you, but I need this when I plate it, so just set it aside. Okay, go on to step 2. Yeah, step 2 is to heat the cut garlic. Add any cooking oil, vegetable oil, sesame oil, any kind of oil would work. Olive oil would be nice. Pour in the garlic, cut garlic, and start with medium-low heat. Yeah, it's medium-low. And I didn't need cumin as well, but it's optional, so if you don't like the texture, just skip it. Yeah, while you heat the garlic, keep tossing it, because it's gonna prevent the garlic to get burned. Yeah, it's nice and brown, isn't it? It's time to add in the mix. Alright. Okay, it's ready. And turn the heat a little higher. Yeah, flatten it in the pan. In the chicken soup stock powder, just a bit of water. Yeah, soaked with water, and put it in and keep cutting it. Yeah, it's nice and crispy. So we're only going to last step 4. Yeah, it looks great. So add in the fish sauce. Like this. Yeah, flavor is awesome. Yeah. I guess it's ready to go. Now it's time to play the egg fried rice. Like I said before, I use this to plate. Pour it in this bowl. Press it a bit and cover it with a plate like this and flip it over upside down. Ta-da! Yeah, egg fried rice is now ready to go. Alright, now you guys know how to make egg fried rice, so why don't you try making it at your home? It's super simple and super yummy. Anyway, thanks for watching my video and leave some messages down below, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be happy to see that. Okay, thanks again and see you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye.